We'll guide you through how to enhance Vercel security, making sure your projects are safe and sound. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your Vercel dashboard by heading over to vercel.com and logging into your account. Once you're in, go to the Settings tab on the left panel. This is where the magic happens. Inside the settings, you'll want to find the Security section. The first thing to do is to enable two-factor authentication, 2FAC. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a second form of verification when you log in. Click on Enable 2FAC and follow the instructions to set it up using an authenticator app on your smartphone. Next, head over to the Access Control section. Here, you can manage who has access to your projects. Make sure to review all current team members and their permissions. You can adjust roles or remove any access that is no longer necessary. It's a good practice to regularly audit this list to keep your projects secure. Another key step is to check the Environment Variables section. Ensure that sensitive information, like API keys, is stored securely and not exposed in your codebase. You can add these variables directly into Vercel, keeping them safe and out of your repository. Lastly, consider using Vercel's integration with GitHub or GitLab to set up branch protection rules. This can prevent unauthorized changes to your main branches and ensure that only reviewed and approved code is deployed. By taking these steps, you can significantly enhance the security of your Vercel projects. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.